How to enable recommended videos on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are wanting to do that, you may follow up the simple steps. So go ahead and open up your YouTube app. And then once you open up YouTube, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, head over to the bottom right corner and tap on the U tab to open up the space. Now from here, head over to the settings at the top. And from settings, go over to the option called notifications from the menu, which is right under Family Center. After going to notifications, here you should be finding option called recommended videos in the middle. So go ahead and all you gotta do is turn on this option if this option is turned off. So go ahead and tap on it to turn it on. And what it will do is it will notify you of the videos that you might like based on what you watch. So all you gotta do is simply turn this option on and that should do it. So for now, you may follow this method in order to do so and enable it. So I hope this video was helpful and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.